Hello my friends, I am Medha and welcome back to my channel Learn with Fun. Today we are going to learn about what is transportation, what are different modes of transport, and in detail we will learn about land transport. And at the end we will play a game. Yay! So let's begin. What is transportation? Transportation, in simple words, is nothing but movement of people from one place to another, or movement of things or goods from one place to another. Simple. Now we will see what are different modes of transport. Land transport, water transport, and air transport. Now let's look in detail about land transport. Land transport is the transport or movement of people, animals or goods from one location to another location on land. There are two main forms of land transport: rail transport and road transport. Now let's look at what is road transport. Road transport is nothing but transport by using roads. Now we will look at what are different means of road transport. What is this? This is a scooter. Scooter is a two-wheeler. It is comfortable for relatively smaller journey and suitable for two people. It is good for traveling on narrow roads. This is motorbike. This is also a two-wheeler and it has a higher speed than scooters. It is comfortable for narrow roads and traveling within city. This is bicycle. It is also a two-wheeler. It is very good for exercises. It is relatively good for short distances and causes no pollution. This is car. This is four-wheeler. It is comfortable for traveling within and across cities. It is comfortable for 4 to 5 people. This is truck. Truck is four-wheeler or it can have up to 10 wheels as well. It is suitable for carrying goods from one place to another. This is bus. Bus carries large number of passengers, nearly about 50 to 60. This is van. Van is usually suitable for carrying relatively less number of people than bus. This is auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw has 3 wheels and it is comfortable for traveling for 2 to 3 people. So we saw different means of road transport. Let's look at the rail transport. Rail transport includes all transport over rails or tracks. Rail transport carries more people or goods compared to road transport. Let's look at the different types of rail transport. This is train. Train carries maximum number of passengers as compared to road transport, and it is much faster than the road transport. This is tram. Tram have its rails or tracks on the roads. This is metro. It usually runs underground. This is goods train. It is used to carry goods from one place to another. This is monorail. So these were different types of rail transport. Now before we start our game, let's quickly revise what we saw so far. We saw what is transportation, what are different modes of transport. Those are land transport, water transport and air transport. We also had a look at what are different types of land transport, that is rail transport and road transport. And we also saw what are different vehicles which are used in rail and road transport. Yes, so now it's time for a game. Yay, it's a game time now. In today's game, I'm going to present to you some of the real life scenarios in which you're going to help me to identify what is the suitable means of transport. So let's go for it. Now, this is a scenario where teacher is telling the students that they are going to go to picnic tomorrow. Now, tell me what transport they will select to go to picnic. Yes, that's correct. Scooter? No, because scooter only can take 2 people and there are many students in the class. Car? No, it is suitable for just 4 people. So the correct answer is bus. Yes. Now let's look at the second scenario. This is a small family. Father is saying that let's go to shopping mall tomorrow. Now in this situation, which vehicle they will take? We have an option of cycle, car and a truck. I think you already guessed it. It cannot be cycle. It cannot be truck. Yes, it should be car. Now in this scenario, There is a seller which has lots of goods with him. He has bags full of grains and logs, so he needs something to carry his goods. He has an option of scooter, auto rickshaw or truck. I think you guessed it right. It cannot be auto rickshaw because he has lots of goods with him. It cannot be motorcycle as well. So, truck is the correct answer. You got it right. Now, I have some simple questions for you. Car is which type of transport? Road or rail? Yes, it's a road transport. Train is which type of a transport? Road or rail? Correct, it's a rail transport. Now I have another two simple questions for you. Name any two transport that have only two wheels. You got it right. It's a scooter or a bicycle. Yes. Now my last question is, name one transport that has four wheels and three wheels. Yes, a car which has four wheels and an auto rickshaw which has three wheels. Great job! I know you all guessed it right. So friends, I hope you enjoyed learning about the transportation and the land transport. In my next video, we will learn more about what is water transport and what is air transport. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.